Now, hello and welcome guys in my channel. And today we will discuss about the type conversion and typecasting of the data type in the Python. This is my fifth tutorial of the Python, and my first topic type conversion and typecasting. And after that, we will discuss about the comments in the Python in this lecture. Okay, two things covered in this lecture. So without any further delay, so now let's get started. So now, guys, we all know, and type conversion and typecasting is different things. And type conversion and typecasting, I think, no need to definition. So that's why only we will write here only examples. Okay, through the examples we cover the what is the type conversion and the typecasting. Now, when we talk about the type conversion is when the variable of the data type change automatically by the interpreter, that is called the type conversion. Suppose I have a is equals to the 12, okay, and x equals to 2.5. Now everyone knows, and a type of the a is int and type of the x is equals to the float. When x is equals to the x plus a, that means the 12 and 2.5 is added and assigned in the x variable. So what is the value of the x? 14.5. When I print it, and then it gives the 14.5. But very simple, it is the type is float. Okay, now here compiler sorry, interpreter add and assign here, and it is directly automatically change the data type in the float. Okay, and this is the type conversion example. And when we talk about the typecasting, that means when the user forcefully change the data type of the variable, and then that is the called typecasting. Okay, and I have some examples for the data casting. Suppose I have a is equals to the 293 and af is equals to the float a. That means a here type of the a is 293. When af and I have another variable and assign the float a, that means the 293.000. Okay, I think you got it now. And so print A and AF, that means print the value of the A and AF value. And so 293 and 293.00. Okay. So print type A and do type AF. And what is the type A? Type A is int and type AF is equals to the float. Okay, I think it is. So we're moving ahead, talking about the next example. So B is equals to the 1, 2, 3, and 4. And bi, what is the, so when value of the b is 1 2 3 4, and can I change the string to integer, string to integer, and print b is here. Now b is the string, and what is the value? 1 2 3 4. And what is the value of the bi is the integer b. That means the 1 2 3 4, but type is changed. Bi is the integer. Okay, so when we print the type a and type b, then first type a is equals to the string now here, and type bi is equals to the integer. Okay, and talking about the third example. So third example, bool is equal to the true, and this is the boolean value. And when I change the boolean into the integer, then I use the integer, and I change the integer, and this is the boo and boy, and print boo and boy. That means boo value of the boo is equal to true, but when true change into the integer, that means it returns the one. Okay, and when we print the type of the boo and type of the boy, and it gives the first type of the boo is bool, and second type of boy is gives the integer. So now we go on the VS Code and write the sum example of the type conversion and typecasting. So without any further delay, and now click on the VS Code, and A is equals to the 12, and I think you already knows the what is the code of the type conversion. And when I click it, and now this is the 14.3. And when you want to knows about the what is the data type of the A and X, then you can easily simply write the type of the A and comma, and the type of the B, type of the X. Okay, and when you write here and save it, and now you can see it. First is the int and second is the float. Okay, I think it is enough for the type conversion. And when I comment it, and so uncomment the typecasting code. And now here the, I think everyone understand with the code, and because it is already explain you. And so without any any wasting time, I click on the run button, and now and so 293 and 293.0. And so what is the type? First is the integer and second is the float. And when we're talking about second is example, and value is the 123, 1234 and 1234. But this 1234 is a string, but that is string is integer. So that's why it is changed. Okay, str and integer. And when we talk about the third example, and it is the bool is equals to the true int bool and bool I, and it is returns the bool or integer. Now you can see, there we go, it is the same result. So, and when we talk about the comments, how many type of comments available in the Python? And basically it is a two type of a Python comments. So first is the single line comments, and second is the multi-line comment. That means, when you use the hash and after that you write the anything, and this is the single line comment. Basically, what is comments? Comment is a type of instruction in which we will understand easily with the code and instruction right in the program book, because it is a roughly idea of the program. So you can write everything with the comments, like with the using of the hash. Okay, and when you want to write the multiple type line in your code, and then you can directly write the triple dot, sorry, here four dots, but not a four here, three dots available. Okay, necessary. So this is my two multi-line comments. So here i want to I want to show you, and now this is my comment, and this is my single comments, and here this is my multi-line comments. Okay, so I think this is enough for today, and we will back in the next video. So thank you so much.